So this is, what is it? SDS
Radical NK1 bullpup.
Radical, the Turkish Wonder. The Turkish Wonder bullpup shotgun.
I put 1 round of 3-inch Magnum 2-shot in it for you. It's called Dry Lock.
Oh yeah. Oh, that stuff I use for duck hunting.
Yeah.
Anyways, I just shot 5 freaking what? 7.5s?
Yeah, 7.
Out of it, and it just wrecked my shoulder, so. Well, this is a reaction video.
Plug in my ears.
Ow! This is not, there's nothing there.
It's squishy.
No, it's not.
Here,
At least it fed. Oh, at least it locked back this time.
Oh, here.
Alright. Let's try some more.
That's just bird shot. There you go.
This is just bird shot. Little gut pump action there.
It's got a release on the other side.
Yeah, I see it. It loaded.
Oh, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Was there only 4 in there?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Huh. Oh, yeah, that's the bad magazine.
Ow! I don't like this gun, for the record.
I know.
Okay, here we go.
You gotta push the safety forward.